raSmith's structural engineers provide design solutions for a variety of projects in the private and public sectors, including buildings, cold-form steel engineering, parking ramps, concrete restoration, bridges, retaining walls, and wastewater treatment plants, among others. We pride ourselves in our diverse and comprehensive structural engineering knowledge and project design experience. Our clients value our ability to execute any and all types of structural projects, large or small. The Structural Services Division is a large and experienced group of structural engineers and design professionals with well-rounded expertise.
At raSmith, we spend time listening to our clients and understanding all aspects of their project. This enables us to provide a customized, practical solution best suited for each project and tailored to each client's individual needs. When presented with a challenge, we take the time to uncover and present options to solve those challenges. Our structural staff is adept at working under condensed schedules and do what it takes to meet our clients' deadlines. Building strong relationships with our clients is very important to us. These relationships help us understand how we can best meet our clients' needs on any given project and assure a successful project outcome. Importantly, we enjoy what we do and we're passionate about our work.
Our staff is licensed throughout the U.S. and has completed hundreds of projects nationwide. The structural engineers at raSmith work with general contractors, architects, and developers on projects in education, hospitality, government, healthcare, industrial, office, residential, mixed use, and senior living. Our expertise encompasses all structural materials and structural systems. We also have significant experience with vibrations, blast design, seismic design, and finite element modeling of complex structures. Our reputation for providing creativity beyond engineering is evidenced in our project designs and our ability to solve even the most complex challenges in a simplified, cost-effective manner. raSmith has niche expertise in cold-form steel engineering, which is a strong complement to our building design services. We are one of the largest cold-form steel engineering teams in the nation.
At raSmith, we have a group of 18 designers and engineers who are dedicated exclusively to cold-form steel design work. We also have members of our staff that have been in the industry for anywhere from 25 to 40 years. Different members of our senior staff sit on various code committees and other cold-form specific engineering organizations. So we really do more than just design and engineer cold-form steel. We really try to immerse ourselves within the cold-form steel industry to make sure we are helping to shape and drive the direction of cold-form steel framing.
Structural engineering has been a core service at raSmith since 2013. Our staff size has grown over the last several years to a team of about 30 structural engineers, cold-form steel designers, and BIM specialists. While we are all generalists, many of our staff have niche expertise in specific areas. We have an expert for any structural challenge that comes our way. Our team's diverse skill set enables us to solve problems on even the most complex projects. We hire engineers at entry, mid, and senior levels to best meet our clients' needs that vary from one client and project to the next.
Staff coaching and mentoring is a focus at raSmith. Our experienced engineers value the time they spend working with and mentoring our younger staff on a daily basis. We help our staff create a career path that allows them to grow personally and professionally.
raSmith has licensed engineers who work remotely across the U.S.
I enjoy working remotely because I get to work at the company I want to work at with the people I want to be working with and doing what I want to be doing in structural engineering without having to move to a different state to do it. Technology has made it possible for me to interact with my coworkers on a daily basis, whether I'm chatting or on video calls or webinars with my coworkers and supervisors. Plus, there's at least once or twice a year that I fly up and get some FaceTime in the office, do some social interactions, events outside of the office. So communication is pretty easy, even as a remote employee.
raSmith's building design and cold form practice groups provide our clients with unparalleled customer service, technical knowledge, and out-of-the-box problem solving. We focus on the unique needs of each client and provide a customized approach to projects throughout the U.S. As trusted advisors, we partner with clients and stakeholders to understand their needs. uncover the best solutions, and deliver quality and responsiveness.